it's me again for more marshmallow stuff. Set that right there so I can open this. You see they're on a plate. We're going to put them in the microwave and see what happens. I'm going to try. Here, let's try. We'll try, I know, Dr. Phil. We'll try 3 minutes.
What do you need?
That's for a video.
Oh.
You can't really see because, you know, the way microwaves are. But let's see what happens. See if there's any effect. I think this is the coolest of all of the experiments. I didn't know how long to put this in for, so I tried 3 minutes. Marshmallows. It looks so cool. It smells good too. I'm waiting for a sign for me to stop this. Trying to go back so I can see the clock on here. Okay. Put 5 of them in there.
Pretty big. So it might be going over the side first.
Should we stop it and see how they look from an overview?
It's going to be really hot. Careful.
I know, I'm not going to poke them.
They're ready to burn.
Yeah.
See, they're getting black.
We got burnt, huge marshmallows.
What? There goes the plates.
I broke a plate. Guys, do not microwave marshmallows.
That was too hot. My fault. I should have said don't do it. But...
Okay guys, that was a fail experiment, so bye.